friends! Welcome back to Storytime with Miss Greta. Today I'm going to read you a book by Dewdney. She's the one who writes the Llama Llama series. I don't know if you know those, but they're pretty well known. And this is another book she's written called Little Excavator. And I actually like this one a little bit better. So I thought I'd read this one with you, Little Excavator. So let's dig in, should we? Here come the big rigs rolling down the street. Thumpa, thumpa, bumpa, bumpa, beep, beep, beep. Can you see little E ready on the spot? He's the little excavator working on the lot. Wham goes the dozer, knocking down the walls. Rumble, rumble, crumble, crumble, fall, fall, fall. Little E is busy. He goes bam, bam, bam. Uh-oh, little excavator, now you're in a jam. Grum goes the loader, lifting up the trash. Push-a, push-a, smush-a, smush-a, smash, smash, smash. Little E tries lifting up some junk, junk, junk. Oh, but there goes little excavator over with a clunk. He just wants to help, but he's too little so far. Droom goes the dump truck with the load to lug. Thunka, thunka, clunka, clunka, chunk, chunk, chunk. Little E just wants to lug all day, day, day. Look out, little excavator. Don't get in the way. Brump goes the backhoe digging in the dirt. Clang, clang, bang, bang, work, work, work. Little E is helping too. He can dig, dig, dig. Not yet, little excavator. Someday when you're big. He fell in his hole. Whir goes the tall crane rising to the sky. Whoosh, whoosh, swoosh, swoosh, high, high, high. Little E is stretching. He gets tall, tall, tall. Oh, sorry, little excavator. You're too small. Now there's one last job, and the busy day is done. But no big rig can do it. Not a single one. Look, they have to get that tree to that little island over that tiny bridge. Who can do it? Everybody tries it, and it's much too tight. Could it be? Little E fits just right. Good job, little excavator. Time to take a bow. There's work to do just for you, here and now. May be small, little E, but you will grow. You're a mighty little excavator. Go, go, go! There he is. He's so happy to be useful, even though he's small. Here's the park that they finished. At the beginning, I don't think I showed you this. This is what it looked like when they got there. Very messy junkyard. And then at the end, they've made it into a beautiful park. And little E helps, didn't he? Sometimes when you're small, it can feel like you can't do big jobs. But this book, I think, highlights that even when you're the littlest, you can always be helpful. So go out there and be helpful. I hope you had a fun time here at Storytime, and I'll see you next time. Bye!